Tomorrow I'm filming Formula Drift with a full media pass, and here's some behind the scenes. Finally made it here, and yeah, let's go get our media pass. FT, let's get some shots. Let's do a warm up right now. Let's take a look at this. So less than 2 years ago, I decided to focus on motorsport videography and photography. Since then, I've filmed with Mazda, Nissan, and just so many other projects that I'm super proud of. I'm now here at Formula D in Seattle, and yeah, things are kind of going full circle here. It's pretty crazy to take a break and actually think about it. A little bit further back, I used to be a mechanic. I was starting my red seal at least, and yeah, just constantly thinking about switching to videography.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
One of those situations that I'm pretty sure a lot of people are familiar with. So I've tried to help out whoever I can. I've made a guide called Couch to the Pit Lane. As a creative, sometimes it's a bit hard to get around the business side of things. You're focusing on the creative side of things. So I've tried to break that down with my experience. So definitely having good content will make you stick out and obviously open doors, but having a good business mind and good business sense is obviously another opportunity. This guide shows a different way to get involved. You're still gonna need to know how to shoot video and still gonna want to create a lot of special content, but this is going to help you get here. Links below, and yeah, good luck everyone.
Welcome to Evergreen Speedway, just outside
this afternoon here in Seattle. We're already starting the day off even warmer than where we were.
Stop your feet, Seattle, Monroe, Washington, BMW, stomp your feet for me if you will. Make it one. So much for joining us out here, round 6 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship.